See what happens when I push buttons? Hey everybody, it's Leah, the old Stutter's wife on the old Stutter's Homestead. We're getting ready to post this video. Actually, Josiah has been doing the editing. As you can tell, there's been some editing changes and he's been having a lot of fun. But we haven't posted a video for, oh my, over a week. And he actually had this one done probably, well, as you can see right now, all of our trees are full. And you'll see in this video, it's been a couple weeks ago, it's when we were planting raspberries. And I was waiting to do a filler and things have just got busy here and I haven't been able to do a filler yet. So he's been after me, Mom, get this thing done. And it occurred to me that I wanted to share a story with you. You know, every YouTuber's dream is to go to your email box one day and have in it an email from a production company. And to have them say, we ran across your video. We want to use part of your video in a production we're making, a commercial. And that's really cool. Now, of course, there's skepticism when you open such an email. So we went and we checked out the name of this production company, and sure enough, it's a Canadian production company who does commercials and things like that. They were doing this commercial for an insurance company, and they saw one of our videos and they wanted part of it to use in that. Less than 10 seconds, right? So cool. $300 Canadian money, $213 US money, they were willing to pay for this little tiny clip. Wait till I tell you guys what this clip was. It's hilarious. I did a video that I titled, Don't Cry Over Burnt Bread. All right. I'd forgotten about this loaf of bread. Stuck it in the oven one night, kept the fire going, shut the oven all up, woke up the next morning, went to put something in the oven, and I saw the loaf of bread I'd forgotten about. It was black as tar. I mean, it was black as tar. And that is what they wanted. Obviously, it was something for house insurance, right? So the moral of the story is that was the most expensive loaf of bread I've ever sold. And I would sell 100 more like that if I could get that type of money out of it. So I'm not offended at all. I actually thought it was, it's like the Lord taking lemons and making lemonade. Though I love plain lemons. I don't need sugar in it. So I just thought that was hilarious and wanted to share that with you. So the rest of this video, you can tell it's a couple weeks behind, but it's just kind of fun. The guys are planting raspberries, and nothing we do, we've chosen to do easy. So, but in the end, the harvest will be sweet. We will talk soon. God bless. Now this is what a homesteader looks like. Hot, exhausted, and like you done some work. You mean a homestead makes you work?
Work? Huh? Is there anything other than
work? So what have you been doing?
Planting our new raspberry bushes. Correction, raspberry sticks.
Raspberry sticks. In the heat.
Killarney.
Christmas in Killarney.
What did I say? Latham?
Latham, Heritage.
And Nova.
All right.
Yeah, we're a little bit late on planting those.
Hey, well, guess what?
They'll be fine.
We just got them when?
A week ago. Like a week ago?
A week ago. I don't know. We're still working on the apple, clearing out the apple orchard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's put it in the pile. Thank you.
And what, may I ask, are you doing?
Spoons!
Where did that come from?
And shrimp pots. And birch oil. And birch tar.
And where did that come from?
What?
The log on your shoulder.
The forest right behind me.
You're not helping.
You want to know where it came from?
Our property?
Hey,
Get out.
Our raspberry patch.
you want to know where it came
There we go. That's the
from?
one.
You want to know where it came from? Yeah.
I brought down that tree. That right there. The whole thing.
With a chainsaw.
I was working on it since yesterday.
With a chainsaw.
Throw the spoon you make out of it. Multiple spoons, I guess. Better known as the Armstrong rotor dog.
We have a lot of those products, don't we?
Armstrong?
Yeah. Tried and true, trusted brand. Oh, what are we working on here?
The second berry patch, raspberry patch. The wild raspberries, thimbleberries, blackberries, brambles, however we want to categorize them. You know, they grow well in the forest edge and the logging roads and stuff, you know. Just trying to incorporate our own raspberries into the forest.
Right.
See how they do?
Right down an old logging road.
Just trying to incorporate it into the forest instead of completely altering the forest. Kind of looks like what we talked about for the years or whatever. Just working with the forest instead of getting rid of the forest, you know.
No, that's one reason we moved up here.
It is. Absolutely.
And the forest ain't the forest without trees, so.
That's right. And like the orchard up there, we did have to drop a few trees for the orchard. But we also planted trees.
Mm.
And with this, and I know we had to bring down, that small birch. But we're planting raspberries.
Yeah, good trade.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. so